The thrust that you get out of these airplanes gets you off the ground fast and gets you to where you need to get fast. The biggest advantage having a great thrust-to-weight ratio is the ability to power through a turn and to not only turn as quick as you can, but also to be able to sustain that turn in combat. It might take, in order to kill the enemy, it might take 3 or 4 360-degree turns in order to successfully get behind them and get into a weapons engagement zone and to either shoot a missile off or to shoot the gun.
But turning at high speeds exerts massive forces known as G-forces on the pilot. 1 G is the force of normal gravity. When the pilot makes a high G turn, the weight of their body is multiplied by the same number.
6.5 right there.
At 6.5 Gs, a 76-kilogram pilot would feel as if he weighs 6.5 times as much. That's 496 kilograms.
In order to be able to cope with the 9 Gs that the airplane will pull and actually sustain for a little bit of time, they give us several different pieces of equipment to help that happen. That's the combat edge vest. It fills up with air, keeps the internal pressure in your chest cavity, so the blood can actually get pushed out of your chest cavity and into your head. Most important is your G pants too, G suit otherwise known as. It tightens up. It also moves the blood from your lower extremities into your chest, and obviously to try to keep the blood in your head so that you can keep blood in your eyes so that you can see and think. The color goes out of your vision first. The second thing that goes is obviously you have tunnel vision, and that's followed by stages of going unconscious, and that's the whole reason we're trying to avoid that. You don't want to be manipulating the controls of an airplane when you're unconscious.
The pilots also wear a helmet with an oxygen mask in case the cockpit were to depressurize at high altitude, something no pilot wants when engaging the enemy at 9,000 meters.